I'm sitting in an Amtrak train at nighttime. It's dark, of course. At this point, I'm still close to Boston, Massachusetts. Sorry about the shaking. You know how it is in a train. See the fluctuation of the radio frequency in megahertz measurements. I'm turning the meter at some point to the left to see what exposure I'm getting from this side. The cornet is a directional meter. You have to point to the source to find out the amount of exposure you get. Here you see the maximum reading so far. It's 2.7 volt per meter of radio frequency exposure. The megahertz reading is about 2400, which a router would run on. Since I'm sitting and sleeping in this train for hours, I need to protect myself. I brought my radio frequency protective blanket with me. You can find the link to this in the description. It's a great protective blanket. It is mostly used by pregnant women to protect the baby. It can be used, of course, by everyone and everywhere. In a hotel, I covered the router with it overnight. I'm also wearing a radio frequency protective t-shirt. I measure again in the direction of the window, and this time the radio frequency is over 2 volt per meter. The measurement helps me to decide in which direction I want to lie down on the seat. Of course, I will not keep my head where the radio frequency is super high. Take care.